Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend Black Thunder around Virginia on this Cobra 148 GTL. Got the blue in the meter, blue in the channel display. Added your variable power right back here, dial a watt. Show what we got on that. 5-watt slug. Turn down to there it goes, about a 1/4 watt. And we'll go over to 100-watt slug. It'll turn up to right at about 6 watts. Let's roll it back down some here. We're gonna check average power. Low audio. About 7 bird out of these 148s and Grants. Show you peak power, 100-watt scale. Hello audio. Hello audio. 17 peak watts. It's clean and mean there, Black Thunder. It's ready to come back to you, my friend. I appreciate you being so patient. Look forward to seeing you at Manchester. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.